Namaste to all. We have made an artificial intelligence capstone project which is AI PPT Maker. I, Rajni Sagrari, the team leader, had played the role of scheduling and allocating the tasks to the team members and also acted as the point of contact between the team members and the teachers.
Namaste to all, I am Pritesh Sagrari and I have played the role of data expert and information researcher.
Namaste to all. I am Abhinav Arya, another team member who have played the role of tester and communication leader.
So, we were discussing about some of the local issues faced by our school and community. And we have come to the point that in this digital era where the things are going digital like online payments, video callings, net banking, corporate meetings, even the studies are going online through virtual meetings. And as a student, we saw that our teachers used to prepare slides of the topics which they have to teach in the class. But we found that those slides are not much impactful, means the designs and formats are not of that level to make the sessions interactive. We have also interviewed several teachers regarding the same and discovered the problem being faced by them, as all these technologies are new to them and they are not very familiar with these things. They found it very difficult to prepare slides for the sessions due to unavailability of efficient software and lack of knowledge about the softwares. It also eats up a lot of their time. Being an artificial intelligence student, we thought to tackle the problems and make an AI-driven app which will automatically prepare presentation slides for them. Okay, so let's see through an example how our app will work. So, suppose the user have to prepare presentation on the chapter or topic yoga. Then he will have to simply capture photos of that topic from his book and upload it in the app. Now it comes the time of our app. So our app will convert the text in those images into digital form using computer vision, and using AI summarization techniques, it will refine the entered data and recognize the key terms like yoga, its definition, importance of yoga, types of yoga, etc. and etc. And it will plot those refined data on a presentation slide. It will also add graphics and animations regarding that topic. Once the slide is prepared, the user can download it and use it accordingly.